How to get crying filter on TikTok. Unfortunately, you can't do this within the TikTok app. You will need to download the Snapchat app to do this, and then you could transfer it onto TikTok later. I'm going to show you how to do that. Once you've downloaded the Snapchat app, if you don't have it already, click the top left hand corner where you see the magnifying glass icon there. Then you'll want to type in at the top search bar crying, and then that's the filter that most of you will be wanting there that you've seen before. So go ahead and click on that filter, and then once you've done that, you can either take a picture or a video. So just click the once there at the bottom center of the screen if you want a picture, and then if you want to do a video, you have to hold it down there at the bottom there for as long as you want to do the video. And then once you've done that, you can click save at the bottom left hand corner. Then you can save it to memories and camera roll like that. Then basically that will just save it to your phone that you're on. So allow access to all photos for this as well to go through if you haven't already. And then once that's done, you can go back onto the TikTok app, upload a TikTok like usual, but click the bottom right hand corner where it says upload. Then you want to allow access to all photos if you haven't already. Then you go ahead and click on the video that you have just made with the crying filter on. Then you want to click next on that. I'm just covering these videos here because it's got personal stuff on it. But once you've done that, you will see that video pop up there. Then you can click next, and it's kind of going through uploading as you would a regular TikTok video. So you can follow this through there, then click post. So leave a like on the video if you're going to do that, and subscribe for more helpful videos.